I actually went in person, can you believe it? In person to Coach Boutique, in person, the Coach retail shop. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are y'all doing today? I'm just here and I want to unbox a little something. I actually went in person, can you believe it? In person to a Coach Boutique, in person, the Coach retail shop. When I met with Dooney and from Yoshia Lux, and I met with Laura from Laura the Camel Chica. We met together and we went to the Coach Boutique because I had to return my espadrilles. So I think this will be, yeah, the espadrille will come out. Y'all saw that. The espadrilles were just too hard. They were too hard, and they said I could get my money back, or I could because I was in that time frame, or I could exchange them. And I was really trying to find another pair of shoes, so I decided to get another pair of shoes. And these actually were on sale. They ended up costing me like $22 more than the other shoes, but these actually were a pair that I wanted from the beginning. So if you want to see that, then come on back in a second. Okay, Bean Beauties, let me tell you, they were super nice at the Coach store. I had such a blast. It was such a hot day, and they just presented us with water and a nice little water bottle. I thought that was very impressive, very hospitable. There was 3 ladies that were in there who were working, and they were all very nice. When I told them that I had an exchange to make, then she told me, she said, you can exchange them, you can get your money back, or whatever you want to do. Because I had told her I was looking for some shoes, and she said they didn't have very many in stock right now. So she said that we could try something on, but they could give me the credit back or do what they needed so I could order them online, or they could help me order them online in store. So that was a whole lot of options, and she was very nice when she was explaining the options to me. So I was very grateful for that. So this is the bag that they came in, and we got to carry this around. I was so excited. I know, y'all know how I am about packaging. I was just so happy about it. So here's the box. Here you go. They didn't have a lot of variety in the store, but then when I asked her for my size, she brought these out so I could try on for the size, and they actually ended up being ones that I wanted. I was like, I couldn't believe it. These were on my list, but I didn't see them. So these are the Lowline Top sneakers with floral print. I call them daisies, but they're just a floral print. And here is the shoe. It says that the materials is leather upsole with a fabric lining on the inside and rubber outer sole. This is rubber on the outside. It says runs large, so order a half a size down. I normally wear a 9.5, but I purchased a 10, and they fit well in the store. They were a little bit big, but my feet get swollen, so when I'm walking and things. So I figured that I better go with the 10s, because I'll wear a 9.5 like in a sandal, a flip-flop, that kind of a thing, but in a closed-toe shoe, I always do a 10. So I just went ahead and kept that size. And I figured, first pair of tennies from Coach, they were on sale, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with what I normally do, and if for some reason they don't work out, then I'll know for the next time. They appeared to be comfortable when I tried them on in the store, which is a big plus. The espadrilles were not comfortable at all. The espadrilles felt like I was walking on cement. I mean, it was harder than walking on the floor. It was just extremely hard. I didn't realize that the style, the intention of the shoe, I don't know how y'all can wear those. They're gorgeous looking. I guess you can, and my whole thing was, yes, I probably could have inserted a sole in there, an insole in there and stuff, but I thought for that price, I really didn't want to spend the extra money to do that. I just didn't feel that was, was fair, a fair, equitable exchange for me. So that's why I decided, when this whole thing meetup came up with the ladies, and I had said, well, I actually have something I need to return to exchange. We said, well, let's do that. And we met together and gave me a purpose, and gave them a purpose to do something, and gave us an agenda to have. And I ended up with these. Love these. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to use these. I'm gonna try to find, so if y'all have any videos or anything, I'm gonna try to find the fancy way to tie these to where I can just wear them as slip-ons, besides the fact where you just tie them a little loose and then you tuck them tuck them behind, because let's see, because the big thing is if you just tie them like this and then tuck them behind here, then it'll look like that, and you can just slide them in and out. But I have seen a lot of different ways of styling them. I don't know, my kids used to be really into all of that, so I'm gonna have to ask them the next time they come over to see, see how that goes. It's been a long time. I've just been wearing for the past 10 years my Crocs, so these do have a lot of cushion in them, so we'll see. We'll see. Here's the other one, and here's the other one. So I'll do some mod shots for y'all, and I'll insert these with some mod shots, and I'll kind of try to style them for y'all. I'm try to style them for y'all. Let me see. Here's my receipt, and I can tell y'all what they were on sale, what I got them on sale for. The espadrilles were a really good deal, a really good price, because they were on sale for the Mother's Day. So it says Lowline printed $145. Yeah, $145. So then I had to pay $21.25 difference from the espadrilles, because the espadrilles were $123, I believe. So then these were $145, because these are the tennis shoes. So as shoes go, it's not bad. I just hope that they end up in the store. They felt comfortable when I tried them on in the store, and my feet were already, I had already been walking for a little while and everything. So we will see how it goes. Isn't that cute? Aren't they cute? So hopefully I can wear them. I don't know if I end up taking these to Chicago or not. I'll have to see if they will still work as far as then. I'm gonna wear them this summer. So we'll see if they will, if it's something that I can wear in Chicago. So we'll see. We will see. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming and visiting me. This is what I got when I was out in my outing with Yoshia Lex and with Laura Calanchica. So if you haven't followed them, please do so and tell them I said hello. We'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.